Every talent you have is God saying, I trust you. Brothers and sisters, today's gospel reminds us of a king who entrusted his servants with gifts before leaving for a journey. He did not force them, he simply trusted them. And that is exactly how God treats us. He gives us life, our abilities, our time, and even the small things we often overlook. Then He gently says, use these well. But many of us, out of fear, hide our gifts. We are afraid to try, afraid to fail, afraid to love. Yet God does not bless fear. He blesses faithfulness. So today, ask yourself, am I using the gifts God placed in my hands? Even a small act of kindness, a word of encouragement, a moment of patience. These are powerful ways to return God's trust. So, may we hear Him say one day, well done, my good and faithful servant. Amen.